In this video, I'll show you how to use direct messages and group chats in tawk.to. Direct messages, or DMs, are private one-on-one conversations between agents. They're ideal for quick updates, private check-ins, or sharing information without cluttering group chats. Let's start with the web dashboard. Log into your tawk.to account and select the property where the agent is assigned. In the left-hand sidebar, find the section labeled Direct Messages. Click the three dots next to it and choose New Direct Message. You'll see a list of agents within the property. Scroll or use the search bar to find the person you want to message. Click their name, and a chat window opens instantly. They'll be notified, even if they're offline. To return to the conversation later, just find the chat under the Direct Messages section. All messages are saved, so you can continue anytime. Now, if you want to chat with more than one person, you can create a group chat. To do this, click the plus icon next to the Tabs section in your sidebar. Select New Group Message, give the group a name, choose multiple agents, and click Create. Group chats appear as new tabs, just like direct messages. You can move tabs around to stay organized, or close a tab when you're done. The chat history will still be saved in your message list. Let's take a look at how this works on iOS. Log into the tawk.to app and tap the DM icon in the navigation bar. You'll see all your direct and group chats under the DM tab. Tap the plus icon in the lower right corner. Toggle the switch for New Direct Message or New Group Message. Choose who you want to message, then start chatting. Now let's look at how it works on Android. Log in to the tawk.to app and tap the DM icon. To start a new chat, tap the green plus icon in the bottom right corner. Toggle the switch for New Direct Message or New Group Message. Select the agents and start your conversation. All your messages are synced across devices, so you can continue the conversation from desktop, iOS, or Android, no matter where it started. For more tutorials like this, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.